Okay, today going to continue on with a few tips on shapes. Let's see if I can turn this commercial off. Okay, sorry about that. All right, I'm going to start out with some more shapes. I'm going to focus on some birds today as sort of the character. So birds are can be a lot like the pigs that was a previous demo. I'm going to start out just drawing a few shapes. Sort of this pillow case shape, and maybe these are real fun. They're just that shape, and then so I have this pillowcase shape, this little circle shape, rectangle, another little circle shape, and then what I can start to do is just add the features. I mean, birds are pretty fun and simple, fun to sketch out real quick. Just have the two eyes there. Maybe have some, quickly just add a few little details. Gonna kind of give that separation line for his belly. And then just start playing around with shapes. Maybe it's a really big bird, but his wings are real small. Indications of his fluffiness. It's kind of more of a graphic design styles that work well with flash animation. This guy, maybe this one has kind of longer legs. Bring that beak on this one, just a draw right through to his head. Maybe this one has a little tail. So again, just kind of the name of the game with these graphic cartoon characters is just get your shapes in there, kind of like building a snowman. Get your shapes in there, and then add the nose and eyes and all that good stuff. I'm gonna give him something to stand on here. Add some bark indicators. Maybe a leaf. Again, everything's just pretty much shapes. This is a diamond. It's a leaf, it's a diamond, which is like a modified square. This guy opened his mouth too. There we go. This big old guy over here, maybe he's the grumpy one of the bunch. His eyes will be way up here. He's just pretty much annoyed. So that's the other thing, is just really the other fun thing about these type of characters is just really exploring shape placement. Kind of sculpt him up here. This one, on the end here, gonna have him sort of him. Little tufts. Do a little cleanup. Give him a little crazy tail. And there we go for just some quick cartoon birds. So again, just do your shapes. And then the fun part is just sort of going over in detail might do today, just for fun, been playing around with this ink brush for a while now. It's a Pentel brush pen. It's going to darken up some of my lines, give it a little bit more character. And go in there and really clean up his eyes. I can shade them up a little bit more. And then just kind of do the same for the rest. There we go.